Uncle?
Woo! And I'm there, right? And I fixed the braid. I put it back on. It's missing half the fucking shaft.
The race starts in 1 minute.
Braid's good.
The braid's great, man. Missing half the fucking shaft. I'm putting it back down.
We just got it back from Samson.
What's that?
We just got it.
Okay.
It's all right.
Nah.
Race starts in 40 seconds.
Brandon runs like he's got flat feet.
I need to run. What did you say something?
I didn't say a thing. Why are you looking at me?
I heard
Buddy
flat
Dave said
feet.
that.
I do have flat feet. I do.
Skate rat sneakers.
Know what they say? Big feet,
Race starts in 20 seconds.
big shoes.
That's right. Skater boy.
Yeah, like flat and they make really loud sounds, but it's okay. I can walk later if you want.
Race starts in 5
Bigger
seconds.
feet, you got less of a chance of falling over.
Oh, okay.
Get ready.
Get set.
Go.
So nice of you to join us again. You know, we're gonna look like two gay guys in the spring when I got that roof down.
Yeah, we're going to look like two gay guys.
We got that convertible down, baby, and we're just pulling to the track.
Yeah, I know.
I'm wearing my Pega Plank car.
See, Mike, that's how you do it.
5566, that's more green. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in number 2.
Yellow flag.
Whoa. I thought that went in the hole.
Let me
That
tell
was
you
not a
what, the
track call.
speeds
That's
these
all I
guys
did.
are going, man.
Here we
Anybody's
go.
gonna hurt.
Get ready. Go.
Open wheel cars, man.
Let's get through there.
I was leaving and you got it. I'm back and walk. I'm crazy. Oh, you are? Yes, well.
That's not.
You don't know what to do, what to do.
1 minute left. Red flag.
It's good, man.
Game's over.
That was a good heat, boys. Very good heat.
Like Nate was 63, that's sold by Miles was 62. That Bruce 61, Katz and Kissler was 60 apiece. Doug with 58. Levitsky, you getting back in there now? He's working on it. Mike Giles on red, Steve on white, Matt on green, Doug on orange, Edson on blue, Mike Katz on yellow, Jay on purple, and Mike Macon on black. 1:30 left in the break.
You've been hearing different moves yet, man. Didn't you see? I was naked.
see, I think it's right before o'clock.
Actually, I couldn't today.
Yeah.
I can't speak. I'm not sure if my brain is stuff.
Yeah.
I'm really tired out of here. Yeah, you can't hear if I get up on front.
Maybe that's one I just never heard.
Yeah.
I got a strange feeling.
I couldn't have drove it.
Hudson Valley race the next race.
The race starts in 1 minute.
It's the same deal.
Incredibly
Yeah.
big,
One fast, right?
I was like, you guys are gonna catch me.
That's his track. That's his home track. That's his home track.
Why made up fun, man? What do you have to do? Well, where you going?
Race starts in 40 seconds.
You got a good car.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going, baby.
Right. Hudson Valley next race. I want to see some magic.
I was supposed to tell you fifth.
I want to see some magic. Get the mojo going.
Race starts in 20 seconds.
All right, but you're thinking about it already. Okay.
That's the right home sport.
That's what it's for.
Yes, sir. I'm too nervous racing.
Oh, unless you two want to talk some more.
We talked a lot last week.
Race starts in 5 seconds.
You two should exchange phone numbers.
Yeah. I gave him the hobby shop.
Get ready.
Hey, John, how's it going down there?
What's that? Great. What about the Giants for it?
Last I saw was 7-9.
Guys, when
Oh, right.
Hudson's second one.
Five, 5, 2, 7, that's excellent. Over the highway from the balloon lane. Who was uneven? Wow. Looking like Mike Nature right now. And excellent close behind. Not more than a half a lap. Probably just about a quarter. Let's see, Extra's on blue. Nature's on black. It's about a half a lap, I guess. It looks like my guy is in the hunt.
Back there, I was pretty behind you there, right? Just sort of gotten up to you.
This race is fucking incredible. This race is incredible.
Yo, how scary is that toy? It was flying.
You know what? It's a good thing that I got sick because one shot and a new gas and I'm done.
You got it.
Fuck, we're flying, bro.
Oh God, I just love your face.
I mean, I don't mind the little rough over there, but, you know, I do have my limits.
1 minute left.
Come on, man, let's see number 3 today. Move along swiftly. Fire!
Fire! Good timing. Coming out of the bank on black.
Someone.
Perfect. If you were a second later, it would have been
It
nasty.
would have been nasty. It's okay though.
Get ready.
Dougie would have not been happy.
I don't think we will. Are you happy right now, John? See, I'm gonna change. Thirty seconds.
Ten seconds left. Red flag.
That'll do it for heat number 3.
Game over.
That's your leader, tied with Mike Mankin, 94 apiece. Mike Giles, 93. Katz, 92. Kissling and Bruce, 91 each. Doug with 90. Doug with the 87.
No.
Levitsky on red, Doug on white, Isles on green, Cats on orange, Matt on blue, Macon on yellow, Edsel on purple, and Jay on black. You come back in, Steve?
Pin tube is crushed.
Pin tube is crushed for Steve. He will not be coming back in.
Everything else solid.
He'll finish the 11. This is looking, I don't know if he'll be last.
I was a millisecond from the car, and he just came right around that turn.
I think it was like a nanosecond, if I'm really honest.
The race starts in 1 minute.
It was deep in, but it was a 50-50 call. But that car came around and didn't even see it.
But Dad, what are we going to do for food? I'm starving.
Hey, get on the phone, call up your mother, and say get
Race
some
starts
shit
in
together.
40 seconds.
Bring the food over for everybody.
Get some shit going.
Here, okay.
Should have brought
I have
donuts.
no idea
Come on
about
now,
that.
guys.
Oh, she brought the donuts?
The second load of donuts she brought in.
Yeah, I know. That was good. That was nice. We appreciated that.
Bigger one.
Race starts in 20 seconds.
She's thinking about took them out of her hands.
You never gone under
All right,
5
she's
minutes.
off. Hey, well, in that case, tell your father to stop and get you something
Just can't get over fast.
on the way home.
The man's right there. You can.
Race starts in 5 seconds.
I'm trying to get the kid to man up and say, hey, Pop, we got to stop and eat. I'm hungry.
I put him at deficit. I watched the game. Not like later than any other Monday night. What?
You got school tomorrow, Punk.
Yeah, I got big midterms tomorrow. The hardest one. It'll be alright. 5-5, 3-5 to the white, making on yellow. He is the first to 100 and your new leader. Which might be top excellent.
Still anyone's game.
It really is. God's right. It is starting on the field. I mean, sure you got the two top guys tied, but Isles and Cats are in the hunt.
All they got to do is pull off one.
Alright, well, let's not get scared now. 2 minutes. Going well?
I got to get laser surgery on my other eye.
Oh, yeah?
They did the one eye, now they get the left eye fixed.
That Bruce is down on the track, 5-5
Hey, do you think I'd be able to get a mercy look? Nothing. No mercy, nothing. You think I'd be able to get that at least?
You're married, or I think.
Yeah, I know. That's what my kids tell me too. What do you think of that? That's twice I had to bail you out, Mike.
1 minute left in either before.
Brandon. Tiger paw. Cheetah paw.
Whoa.
That's Brandon.
And it looks like Bacon's still your leader. Edson's still in second, and Isles is still in third. But Bacon has extended his lead over Edson by a full lap. Isles is very close behind to Edson. Isles don't lead, Edson will take him.
This is one tight race.
Team in the hairpin. 10 seconds left to move number 4. Three, 2, 1. That's the end of number 4.
Red flag.
We're halfway through the last
Over.
race of the night. Rankin 125, Isles and Etsy 125, Cats 124, Kissing and Bruce 122 apiece, and Murphy 116.
Yeah, these guys are really hooked up. Listen, it's
Doug on red, Cats on white, Steve on green, Megan on orange, Mike
Not Steve's.
I on blue, Jay on yellow, Matt on purple, and Edsel on black.
You know,
You number 5 of 8.
it felt like it was dying in the bank, and then when I came off my noose and you put me back on, then the brake must have got pulled down a little bit, and the car just started taking off. Yeah.
14-10, San Francisco.
14-10.
Yeah, that's why all
The race starts in 1 minute.
Come on, Wes, don't cry.
Man, Dick, just stay where you're at, bro. Keep your mind where it's got to
I
be.
gotta keep not falling off. It's worked so far.
Exactly what it takes to win races. Stay on.
See, you didn't tell me that.
Listen, this can go away real fast.
Oh, you got 2 years?
Yeah, I
The
know.
race starts in 40 seconds.
I saw that's the only reason I got a lap now is because you came
It's
on.
only
I
the
didn't.
third time this race I'm going to get the first lap. I do not win the heat. Just how slow it
Let's
is.
just
Mike,
hope that
30
West
seconds,
leaves
Mike.
or else we'll be here another heat later.
24, Mike. 23.
The race starts in 20 seconds.
You get me nervous, Mike.
I figured I'm over.
Alright, everyone ready?
The race starts in 5 seconds. Get ready.
Beginning of heat number 5. Your leader is still Mike Megan, and Edsel and Isles are still tied to that second position. Isles now on blue, Edsel on black. Got a quarter of the lap. That's going the track at the moment with like Mike Day for the 5580 leader. Five five six American, the 5580.
Yellow flag.
I wasn't sure if I could reach it. Took it
Yeah,
safe.
so-
Nah, took it safe. Go ahead.
Get ready.
Clear.
I want you to pull nothing.
Well, you know, Michael Stern was falling into boom, boom, boom. Fucking bruises all over my body.
That's just the cars for all you guys beating me up.
Yeah, they're gonna beat me up.
5555. Still Mike Isles. Here it goes. The race for second is at a dead heat. Blue and black. Coming around the hairpin. Looks like Mike Isles takes second.
Oh, boy. Thanks, Mike.
DWD. The track on, the track off. Clear.
What the hell did I hit?
Me.
We're down to Mike Davis with a solid 2-lap lead over Mike Isles. About a lap and a half to be fair. 20 seconds.
Please.
10 seconds left.
And after 30 seconds, 1 for the time. Number 5 and 8 is coming to an end. In 3, 2, 1. That's a switch.
Red flag. Feet over.
Mike Mangan, 158. Isles and Ensel, 156. Katz and Kissling, 153. Matt, 152. Doug, 124. A lot of ties. Here in the 6th seat of 8, we got Mike Katz on red, Mangan on white, Doug on green, Jay on orange, Steve Levitsky on blue, Edsel on yellow, Mike Isles on purple, and Matt's on black. Minute 30.
Oh, okay.
Just took away any chance I had maybe screw up with the, you know. If I'd have been drunk.
Just push out this.
Oh, baby.
Huh? Just push out. Smells like calzone. Leave it alone.
The race starts in 1 minute.
Me, I came out.
I drove into it.
I'll put rubber on this motherfucker for next week.
It's okay. You don't want it to be, and then put the rubber rails out the door. Mike, a wire bumper around the tires.
The race starts in 40 seconds.
Like a go-kart.
Yeah, force you off the. Gas.
No magic horsepower. There you go.
Anybody got a hole puncher? Well, you need to punch
You
a
gotta
hole
start
in
that now.
your cheeks.
Need
You
some tape for your
got some
chassis.
piercings you want to do because you're not
Race
punching much
starts in
on that
20
one to
seconds.
make it work.
Need some tape.
Now remember, you got to punch the old holes oval because round holes aren't fast.
good.
Just stop at the science and race, man. Mad science professors.
The race starts in 5 seconds.
There's a guy that's
Should have had 134 inches.
You are tied with him.
Get ready.
Almost like Frankenstein.
We start off here with 6, Mankin's your leader. And
No!
second, Isles in the white.
Yellow flag.
Sorry.
Is this thing going?
Is that car moved up?
I don't know. It hasn't been on the track in 20 seconds.
I just want There we go.
Get ready.
And start right now on the track is Edsel with a 5597 to Jay Kissling on orange.
Looking the highlight.
Yeah, right, that's the highlight. Mankin with a 1.5 lap lead over Edsel. Edsel with a half lap lead over Mike Isles. Another side, Katz and Jay Kissling battling for the fourth.
Oh boy.
With Smart.
Somewhere.
James got the edge of my Katz right now. Minute 30 by the number 6.
It's 1 minute left.
Edsel Gaiman on Mike, as well as Mankin. Gap got a little shorter there. About a lap now. Five, 2, 7 for Edsel in the hunt for the win. And he pulled it off. Look out, Mankin. About a half lap now, the lead for third, maybe 3/4.
30 seconds left.
3, 2, 1, and the end of heat number 6.
Heat over.
Mike Bacon, 189. Edsel, 188. The difference between their lap averages is
That's my win. That's what I love.
0.17.
Give me.
Very, very close. Coming into the final 2 heats of the old name. Mike Bacon on red, Jay on white, Hats on green, Edsel on orange, Doug on blue, Matt on yellow, Levitsky on purple, and Mike Giles is on black. Can Edsel pull off one of the classes today? Or Mike Bacon
just moving ahead and wasn't even paying attention. I was behind him. I'm just standing there going, oh, I'll give him a minute.
Here?
Mine's upset. I don't like it. No.
I know you're right. I'll be darned. You're a dick, but you're a funny dick. Well, yeah, you guys blow them out. You guys got 239. What's his name? Ray had 230.
The race starts in 1 minute.
You guys ran a good stayed into it, man.
Johnny.
His car wasn't right. His car was fucking doing the woo. It wasn't Gucci Coos the whole fucking time.
But it was fast.
Straight away.
19 degrees all
That
day
thing
long.
was tough.
Yeah, if it was tough, I would.
Race starts in 40 seconds.
19 degrees.
Is it still 19 degrees outside?
I didn't need it regular.
That's
It was
exactly what it was.
27 at one point today, pal. I treat them.
Alright, I'm updating. I'm at 3G. Alright, now it's 30 degrees.
That's what exactly what
30.
It's going to get warmer as the night goes on.
Race starts in 20 seconds.
Yeah, you're going to wake up in the morning and get that free stop.
Okay, cool. It's supposed to be warm tomorrow, right?
It's 60 by the time you get out of school.
Yeah, I know it's supposed to be
Pour
warm.
down rain.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Good. They wash all this crap over there.
Race starts in 5 seconds.
7 of 8, guys.
Get ready.
Never gonna edge. Yankees on red, Edsel's on orange. Edsel with a 5-4-4-2. Wow. Orange, please. Right!
Yellow flag.
Sorry about hitting you in the stones.
Only Jay.
Here we go.
Okay, then never mind.
Get ready.
Mike told me to throw yours on the ground, but it's not. It wasn't mine though.
Edsel just jumping it. Things got a little closer. Still a half a lap.
That'll bring it down.
Where's Miles at here? Wow, he was so bad. Still in third, but out of 100. Three-way tie for fourth right now. I got Jay Kisley, Blake Cash, and Matt Bruce.
Yellow flag.
That's exactly what you just said. What was going on? The car just spins out.
It just spun out and
My
everybody
car.
come in there.
Thank you.
It's on time in fourth, Cats in fourth, Matt in fifth, and Chris in sixth.
All right, let's go.
All right, here we go.
Get ready.
2 minutes.
5.79 from that Bruce on the yellow. Oh, that's the first 200.
Take his movie.
Wow. Quarter of the lap. Edsel takes the lead. Making our out of it, however. He's got a half lap behind. Look at that. 5-4-1-9 for Edson. 5-6-7-5 for Manson. 5-6-1-2 for Cats. 110 was the heat number 7.
1 minute left.
Now with a full lap, everybody made.
Red flag.
Game
over.
Edsel 221, Mankin 220, Mike Isles with 217, Mike Katz 215, Matt Bruce 215, Jay 212, and Doug 172. Jay on red, Edsel on white, Mike on green, Matt on orange, Katz on blue, Isles on yellow, Murphy on purple, and Steve on black. This is the last team of the night.
Really something. The other car coming. Fucking blew me off.
And he dumped it. What's up, Jay-Z?
Okay, guys.
I tried cutting one
By
of
the
bodies,
way,
fucked it up with
at the end of this thing, if you're in the top three, just go straight to victory lane with the pictures.
It is.
You guys can get out of here, okay? If you got tabs, see me at the counter.
Nothing fun about it.
The race starts in 1 minute.
So,
It was
got
stout.
tabs, see me at the counter.
God.
Bruce, you should have let me use that when
Thing
you
shut
raced
down.
I had to keep swapping that
53
grade out.
left in
That's
the
what it
break.
was.
Last team of the night.
Dying in the bank. And then luckily, actually it was good that I came off, because whatever it did, when Luke
I
grabbed
knew
it,
Francis Ford Coppola,
I
huh?
pulled the brake
Race
down.
starts in 40 seconds.
The agony at the feet.
You gotta put another spacer on the guy. You can see the guy a little.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
Whoa,
Hey, easy.
Probably a little hard.
You can just fluff up your brake, you're probably fine.
You don't see me sticking my hands down my trousers.
Yeah,
Race starts in 20
Do
seconds.
that again? Bruce,
I
get
like
the camera.
when I came second to you, I knew.
I'm surprised he's allowed to own a camera
We will YouTube.
with his record.
That's it, bro. We'll YouTube.
That'll go viral in a few minutes.
Race starts in 5
Big
seconds.
time.
Especially if you're cut space in it.
Get ready.
And we're off. Edsel's your leader.
Full lap with the naked, and he kill it. Naked on green, everyone's on white. Things are tight.
Don't move your cars, man.
Yeah, really, don't touch him at the end. We are down to 5 guys on the track. Doug and Jay just cool. Edsel 5517 on the white. Lead is about a lap and a quarter. Hang in there, naked.
About a lap and a half.
Yeah, it's really.
It's about a lap and a half.
Yeah, about a lap and a half. Now, that's not good. I'm on it. It'll get bigger with time. Hopefully not. Naked's really working hard. We got 5, 4, 9, 1 for Edsel. 5, 5, 4, 5 for Naked.
That's the one.
In other news, we got a tie for 4th between Matt Bruce and Mike Katz. Matt Bruce is ahead by about 2 feet.
I picked up about a quarter minute.
Giants 10 and Niners what? 49ers 14, Giants 10. That's the update.
Eddie's blown away. Eddie's got him by about
He's facing Ravens. 1 minute left in the night.
Yeah, Eddie's almost 2 laps.
Yeah.
Watch those
What's
things.
up, baby?
Bingo.
Yep. About a lap.
3/4. Oh, all right. Eddie, I couldn't have put it on any faster.
And that shortens up to a lap and 2/4. So that ominous lap. 30 seconds.
Exactly 1
No,
lap.
that is. Oh,
Exactly 1 lap. They're right next to each other.
don't touch him, guys. You got 10 seconds.
Axel wins.
Good race.
Who's in front? Matt Bruce or Cats?
I know, that was my fault. You know what he did? The car just.
Matt Bruce is over there. Matt Bruce gets it as he breathes. Axel wins again with 253. Maggie 252. And Mike Miles 250. Go to Victory Lane for a picture. Victory Lane for a picture. We're shutting down, guys.
Yeah, he had the pole on this one.